Our Freudenberg plant in Monselice, Italy, has been acquired by the group in 2016. It belongs to the largest and most efficient ones in the cloth dryers manufacturing worldwide. The plant spreads over 120,000 square meters, as much as 11 football fields, with a production of about 200,000 cloth dryers a week, and we constantly invest into improvements.
Such investments are addressed to our integrated production cycle, which combines the tube and the wire making, the phases of the welding and forming of metal components, the robotic powder plating and automatic assembly of such metal component with plastic parts, internally molded as well, and the final packaging.
Operational excellence is the key to combine Freudenberg high standards about quality, sustainability and safety of the production process with our international competitiveness against products from China and Eastern Europe. But also sustainability is an important aspect. The process focuses on the environment and people, using recyclable materials, continuously reducing waste, optimizing the energy consumption and applying the highest safety standards through every production step.
The steel fleet is made of about 20 counterbalance trucks, some reach trucks, about 10 pallet trucks with foldable platform and some low-lift pallet trucks. This fleet is provided with the lasted safety tools. The height-lift pallet trucks, EXVSF, are equipped with dedicated overhead guard to increase the safety of the operator. The trucks are equipped with the safety light, a system which informs people using a blue light. In this way, they can see if a truck is coming. The reach trucks are equipped with the additional half door, which means more safety and body protection for the operator. The trucks are equipped with the Steel Fleet Manager, a system able to switch on each truck via personal badge of the operator. The shock detection system decreases the speed in case of collision. Only the safety manager can restore the nominal speed after a check on site. The battery change activity on counterbalance truck is safe and easy. They are equipped with SIS, able to increase the safety for the operator.
Stihl has demonstrated to be a reliable partner, able to act as a responsive consultant more than just a plain supplier. The Veleda and Jimmy cloth dryers we produce here represent a relevant share of the global market.